Welcome, everyone. Imagine every child, no matter where they live or how much their family earns, having a personal tutor available day and night. This future is approaching fast, powered by artificial intelligence. AI tutors are being designed to provide customized lessons, instant feedback, and emotional support tailored to each learner's pace and style. Unlike traditional classroom settings, where a teacher manages dozens of students simultaneously, AI tutors focus entirely on one child at a time, adapting in real time to their needs. Companies like Khan Academy and Duolingo are already testing early forms of AI tutoring. Khanmigo, developed by Khan Academy using OpenAI's language model, interacts with students in natural language, helping them think through problems rather than simply giving answers. In trials, students using Khanmigo showed improved comprehension and deeper engagement. Duolingo's AI assistant helps language learners with pronunciation and grammar correction. These systems analyze student performance and adjust the difficulty of questions based on learning patterns. These early-stage tools demonstrate the direction AI tutoring is heading: interactive, adaptive, and student-centered. The key to AI tutors lies in natural language processing and machine learning. These technologies allow AI to interpret student input, understand context, and generate helpful, personalized responses. By tracking how students answer questions, how long they take, and what mistakes they make, AI systems identify knowledge gaps and adapt accordingly. In subjects like math, this means offering progressively challenging problems or revisiting missed concepts. In reading, AI can tailor passages to a student's vocabulary level and quiz them on comprehension. Emotional intelligence is also becoming part of the AI tutor's toolkit. Some systems now use sentiment analysis to detect frustration, boredom, or confusion from a student's language or facial expressions if video input is available. Based on these cues, the AI can shift its approach, offering encouragement, taking a break from a tough concept, or changing the learning pace. This emotional responsiveness makes AI tutors more engaging and supportive than traditional software. By 2026, we can expect more widespread deployment of AI tutors in school systems around the world. Early adopters are likely to include charter schools, homeschool networks, and developing regions with limited access to qualified teachers. AI tutors are not meant to replace educators but to assist them. A teacher could oversee a classroom while each student works at their own level with an AI tutor, freeing the teacher to provide targeted help where needed. This hybrid model boosts efficiency and personalization simultaneously. Parents are already integrating AI into home learning. Some use chatbots powered by GPT-style models to help their children with homework. Others rely on AI to create quizzes or summarize textbook chapters. As interfaces improve and tools become more intuitive, even parents with limited formal education will be empowered to support their children's learning at home. AI tutors may soon become a standard part of after-school study sessions. There are still major hurdles to overcome. Language models sometimes provide incorrect or biased information. Ensuring content accuracy is crucial when teaching young minds. Developers are now working on aligning AI responses with verified educational standards, such as Common Core or national curricula. Data privacy is another major concern. AI tutors must be designed to protect sensitive student data, especially for minors. Regulation and transparency will play key roles in maintaining public trust. Another challenge is accessibility. While the cost of AI services is decreasing, devices and internet access remain barriers for many families. To fulfill the promise of AI tutors for every child, partnerships between tech firms, governments, and NGOs will be necessary. These collaborations could help deliver low-cost tablets preloaded with AI tools to remote or underserved communities, just as past initiatives distributed books or laptops. As the technology matures, AI tutors will support broader developmental needs beyond academics. They could guide students through emotional challenges, build resilience, and foster curiosity. Some prototypes already act as mentors, asking reflective questions and promoting growth mindset thinking. Others teach soft skills like communication and time management, areas often overlooked in traditional curricula but critical for life success. AI can also personalize career exploration. By analyzing a student's interests and aptitudes, tutors might suggest potential career paths and help students acquire related skills early. Imagine a student fascinated by space getting tailored lessons in physics and aerospace engineering. or a budding artist learning digital design through personalized AI-guided lessons. This kind of personalization could revolutionize how young people prepare for their futures. There are concerns about over-reliance on technology. Critics worry that children may become isolated or less socially skilled if too much learning happens through machines. However, educators counter that AI tutors are tools, not substitutes for human connection. Used properly, they can create more space for teachers and parents to build meaningful relationships while handling routine instruction efficiently. In regions where internet infrastructure is still limited, lightweight AI tutoring models are being designed to run offline on basic hardware. These streamlined models can be preloaded onto inexpensive devices, delivering quality education without constant connectivity. Some prototypes even support solar-powered tablets for remote villages, allowing children to interact with AI tutors using voice or touch interfaces in their native language. This opens the door to truly global educational access, overcoming one of the largest remaining barriers in the pursuit of universal learning. Another critical application of AI tutors is their ability to identify early learning disabilities or behavioral issues through pattern recognition in student interaction. For instance, if a student consistently avoids reading tasks or demonstrates irregular learning speed, the system can flag potential dyslexia or attention disorders. Rather than replacing human educators, this function gives teachers early warning signals to support students more effectively. Pilot programs are already underway where AI tutors collaborate with school psychologists, acting as real-time diagnostic aids. AI tutors are also being developed with built-in cultural context modules. These allow lessons to be framed in ways that align with local customs, languages, and values, increasing engagement and comprehension. For example, a math problem might use examples relevant to a student's rural farming environment rather than abstract, urban-centric references. This kind of contextual relevance ensures that the technology doesn't feel foreign or imposed, but instead becomes a familiar, trusted tool for learning. Organizations working in education equity have identified this feature as key to large-scale adoption in non-Western countries. In parallel, researchers are exploring how AI tutors might support not only academic subjects, but also life skills and emotional intelligence. Some early models already include modules on conflict resolution, empathy, and digital literacy, areas traditionally overlooked in standard curricula. These expansions could help foster more socially aware and resilient students. Over time, as AI tutors learn to track not just academic performance, but interpersonal growth, they may serve as valuable companions in developing well-rounded global citizens. Looking ahead, the next decade could see the rise of emotionally responsive AI tutors capable of adjusting their tone, pacing, and encouragement based on a child's emotional state. Using multimodal sensors like cameras and microphones, these systems can interpret facial expressions, body language, and voice tone to detect frustration, boredom, or confidence. This will create a more natural and engaging learning environment, especially for younger students. By 2035, AI tutors may not only match but exceed the responsiveness of many one-on-one human tutors, offering personalized, empathetic instruction to every child with an internet connection. Expect AI tutors to integrate seamlessly with augmented reality and voice interfaces. Children might wear smart glasses and receive guidance from an AI avatar in their field of vision, or speak naturally to a voice assistant while solving puzzles in a physical environment. These multimodal experiences can deepen learning and make it more interactive. The next generation of AI tutors will feel less like apps and more like invisible companions, enhancing every educational moment. Ultimately, AI tutors represent a democratizing force in education. They can bring world-class instruction to rural villages, crowded urban centers, and homes across all income levels. They allow for truly individualized learning journeys that evolve with each child. While human educators remain central to nurturing and mentoring students, AI tutors can fill critical gaps and enhance what teachers can offer. The aim isn't to replace schools, but to elevate them, bringing out the full potential of every learner. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.